A real Haitian has the capacity to impress anyone, and also he or she has the ability to go behind the normal human's expectations. Haiti is the first black independent country. Its citizens are called Haitians. The Haitians, so am I, were slaves but fought so hard to own this paradise named Haiti, or the mountainous country. Haitians are not overwhelmed with the era of technology to the point that they forget about God, the spirits, or their natural born spiritual invincibility. No. Haitians are gods as long as they make one with their ancestors and make peace with their traditional religion of voodoo. I know when you are watching movies like Black Panthers and seeing the King of Wakanda dodging bullets, you say that's legend and that's right. But in Haiti, it is not. The last great battle for Haitian independence says it all. Haitians fought the Napoleon's army because they were invincible, and Dessalines knew what he meant when he said, if a slave is not ready to die, then leave the troops now, because we only need brave fighters. And don't forget that we have some loi or voodoo spirits called Brave Guédé, or the spirits that shows no fear. The fight at La Ravine à Couleuvre was the introduction of this history, and the one at La Catapiwo was the body or the development. And on November 18th, 1803, the day that marked the end of the fight for freedom at Cap François, which is now called Cap Haitian, the colonists of French witnessed and was completely incapable to face these braves. They saw all kinds of things that they are now showing you on televisions or movies to impress your mind. They were witnessing them live, but they only choose to tell you that François Capois's head was floated by a bullet from a cannon. While his horse fell, he remained standing saying, "Let's go. Bullets et poussière," or bullets or dust. After the fight, François Capois's name changed into Capois la mort, or Capois the death. The victory at Vertières was decisive, and independence came within 2 months of the battle's end. The defeat of major colonial power by rebel slaves and the setting up the first Black Republic in the Americas were earth-shattering events. Every year on 18 November, Haiti's president will give a commemorative speech at the monument to the Battle of Vertières in Port-au-Prince, and there are various celebratory and patriotic events held through the country.